Duckling zoomies! Oh, we have a treat for you today. Look who's got some food.
You remember these?
Maybe. Menzies. Ooh, I will take them off. You can also just put them in the water.
I want to get them used to eating out of hand.
That's true. I'll just turn around and eat it all. Hey, he ate it all. So far, the littlest one in this batch is the smartest, right, Danny? Looking right at the camera.
Apollo! Do you like corn, Apollo?
And he's like, I will take it off. Duckling zoomies!
Apollo!
No, Apollo is scared. Okay. Really? You can't go under somebody else. Okay, you got Danny good and trained. Man.
Let's try with a little bit of carrot. Bro.
So you can just put some in the tub.
Yeah, but...
Really?
Hey!
I want it. I'm going to shove everybody else out of the way. I'm in a feeding frenzy.
There you go, Apollo.
Good job, Apollo. He's still looking. There was some down there. Nope.
Oh.
The others have caught on. No. You're very hungry. Stop going after the leg thing. But it's green. So are peas. You dropped it. Danny, you dropped it.
Hey!
There.
I know it's green, but it's not food! Maybe we shouldn't do green.
I will take it all now. And I'm getting really excited.
It's right there! It's right there!
I'm going to step on it. I'm going to go after his leg thing instead of food. And dropped it again. Oh, food. Gemsies. Are you going to jump, Danny? I'm trying to jump.
Apollo!
Got it.
Who can take this little Dumb!
Might have to keep Danny.
Oh, yeah.
Dog is jealous. Aw, get clean little ducky. Clean little ducky. Scritchies and flippies.
So these guys like veggies by hand, but not...
Not duck food. Yeah, we can't have duck food.
Oh no!
Hey!
No! That was just mean. Come on, Apollo. Come on, Apollo. No.
Apollo is not going to do it. I bite your fingers until you give it to me.
Come on, Apollo.
Apollo's like, nope. I'm not getting into that. Yeah, Apollo did not get it. There you go. You guys are as bad as the adult ducks with mealworms.
It feels like I'm feeding the alligators in Florida again.
Yeah. Well, they are dinosaurs. Mine, 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 mine. That's poop. I don't know, I'm just going after everything now.
Danny caught on.
I'm taller. Alright, why don't you put a few in the water and then go start cleaning their tubs and stuff. And while Apollo's just standing there like, what are we doing? Oh, wait, I found some. Very yumsies.